Hi everybody, it's about 1:15 and I made it to the peak. So this is about 1,300 feet climb, ascend from where I started. Now as you can see, this is the map. The 3 is the one that I took right here. And now granted, I did start backwards. So what I did is I actually started right over here. Let me lower that for you. I started right over here. I came up and around all the way through here. And now I'm right here. So if I was prepared to stay the night, I would definitely have gone up to the hot springs. It's supposed to be really nice, but I'm not prepared. And however, if I want to do that in the future, I think it can be a day trip, and that would be enough daylight, to actually also enjoy the hot springs. And that's what most people are saying, is that by the time you spend all the hours hiking up there, that you only can spend so much time in the hot springs. So that's why people end up camping. And I'll tell you, this is quite the workout, especially after 3 miles of going uphill. I was starting to get sore, but I'm gonna rest now. I'm gonna made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have some cashews, drink some more water. And in the meantime, let me show you some of the amazing views and why they recommend. And actually these little markers are very helpful because they show you which way you should go and not go. I almost went that way, which would have been the wrong way, and I would have turned an 11-mile hike into probably a 16-20 mile hike, which I am not prepared for. But I will go down a little bit because I want to show you. You can see both sides of the valleys. I hate to go down to the right here, knowing that I've already ascended to the highest peak of this trail, but that's the kind of woman I am. I'm a go-getter. So I'm not afraid to show you all how beautiful these views are. And I'm going to start with, I don't know the name of the valleys or the canyons. Whoops. It's very windy, so I got to make sure my hat's on all the way. And I did just have a chemical pill in March, roughly the first week of March. So I am very cautious of keeping my face out of the sun. But here you go. Let me turn around and you can see. Look at that. Miles and miles of national forest, or at least wilderness, because I know some of it is private property, but it is just gorgeous here. I mean, I know I can only say that so many times, but until you see it yourself. All right, well, I'm headed back up, and like I said, I'm gonna eat my sandwich, get a little bit more energy, and let my body rest and recover. That way I can push on for the next 5 miles. It could be 6, but it's amazing how the majority of the map is only 5 miles. But I still have about 6 miles to go. So at least it should be all downhill from here. And my body's well warmed up, so I'm not too concerned about getting hurt. Except I do have to watch my knees on the way down because my body is getting tired. So anyway, I will check it in a bit. Bye for now.